Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. In today's video, we're taking a quick look at the Crypto.com app. So if you are new to crypto or if you're new to Crypto.com, then this is going to be a perfect video to watch if you want to know more about the features within the app, how to use them, and what they're useful for. So with that being said, let's just jump into the video itself, and hopefully you guys do enjoy. It's a bit of a special setup today, so hopefully the sound and everything is okay, but we're going to make it through it. So the first thing you see when you basically open up the Crypto.com app is going to be the homepage. Here you'll have your total balance translated or converted into your fiat currency. In my case, I have it to Swedish SEK, and for some reason the formatting here is not even correct, but that's totally fine. And this will just show you your total value as of today, and it will also show you the 24 hours either increase or decrease in the value of your assets. Other than that, you have your favorites underneath. So this is basically any currencies that you are tracking and you have highlighted as a favorite. By doing this, you basically sign yourself up for notifications if there's any drastic changes in terms of the price. So if I'm following Bitcoin, for example, I'll get a notification if Bitcoin goes up by, let's say 5 or 10% within an hour. It'll send me a notification and kind of give me some idea of what's going on in the market. Super useful. And obviously just having your favorites here on the homepage is going to make it a bit easier as well to just see what's going on with the crypto that you actually track or follow. Moving up again, we have basically the 4 main things that you will do with the Crypto.com app itself. You have the buy option, you have the sell option, you have the deposit, and you have the pay. The buy option is basically if you're looking to buy more cryptocurrency. So if you click on the buy button right here, you will open up all the different cryptocurrencies that you have available on Crypto.com, which is quite a lot as well. So you can do it for you, which is going to be recommended. You have favorites, top gainers, top losers, new, and most traded as well. If we wanted to buy Bitcoin, for example, all we have to do is just click on Bitcoin right here. This will open this window up right here. And if we wanted to buy, so in this example, 0.01 Bitcoin, that would be about 7,500 SEK. Now we can either pay using our fiat wallet, so you can make a deposit through a bank transfer to Crypto.com, and then you can pay with that balance. You can also pay with Apple Pay, or you can add a debit or a credit card directly, but you'll have to make sure that your bank actually allows you to make crypto purchases with your card. Otherwise they can block you, or at least they will contact you and let you know that, okay, you are not allowed to do this. If you continue to do it, we'll block you. Just keep that in mind. It's not in every country, but in Sweden it's fairly common. We can also pay using our crypto, so we can basically exchange from one currency to another. So if I click on crypto right here, it will open up my crypto wallet instead, and we can make this purchase with our Kronos token, for example. So if I select Kronos right here, you see that I don't have enough to pay for this, but if I want to, let's say, buy for all my 0 tokens all into Bitcoin instead, the best way to do it is just clicking here on the little switch icon, and then instead we just click here and then we select max. And this will essentially give us as much as we possibly could buy with the Kronos we have available, basically. So if I wanted to make this purchase, I would just go ahead and click buy right here, and that would convert it to Bitcoin. Going back again to the home page, we also have the sell button. It works fairly similar here. It will show you all the currencies that you have. So let's say Kronos, for example, we can just select it here. Now we'll open up this window here as well. So now we can either sell it for another cryptocurrency, or we can sell it for cash. In this case, we can sell it for euros. And then we can also do, let's say we wanted to do max, so everything that we own, or we can do 50%, 25%, 75%, or max as well. And as soon as you click sell right here, you get the confirmation window, and then you can basically sell your crypto for your fiat currency. Again, going back to the front page again, we have the next one, which is going to be deposit. This is going to be where you can deposit either your other crypto holdings onto Crypto.com, or you can deposit your fiat as well. So if you wanted to deposit crypto, we could just click on crypto right here. Then you would select whatever crypto you wanted to add to your Crypto.com account. So if you wanted to add Ethereum, for example, so if you're on Coinbase already, or if you have a hard wallet, you can basically transfer your assets from those wallets to your Crypto.com wallet. So if you go on Ethereum, for example, we can select our network here. And we're gonna go for ERC20, and then you'll have your ETH wallet right here, which you can either just copy directly, or you can open up the QR code. If your friend, for example, is gonna send you crypto, you can do it right here as well. Just make sure that you select the right crypto wallet for the right currency that you're actually sending, so you don't lose out on that. Going back again, to the deposit, you also have the fiat option. This is just going to be straightforward bank transfer. So if you want to deposit fiat into your wallet, you can do it here as well. Finally, we have the pay option. So if you go on to pay, this is where you're able to get cash back on certain purchases. So there is some brands right here where you can actually make purchases on their websites and you'll get some cash back for using those sites specifically. This is, I would say it's great if you find a brand that you usually shop at, but don't just go in here and buy stuff you don't need, because the cashback doesn't matter because you bought something that you don't need already. But if there is something in here that you actually need and you're planning to buy, and you can also get cashback on it, it's obviously going to be worth it. So in here you'll have some different brands. You have the Ledger wallet, for example. You also have the crypto.com shop, so you can get 5% there. You can also buy gift cards as well. So if you're looking for gift cards, you can also do it here. So Foot Locker, Nelly.com, Nextory, and whatever brands are on here is also going to depend on what country you signed up for crypto.com. And if you're in the US, you're going to have different ones than what I have right here as well. Going back again to the home page, we have a lot more to discover. So if we go over to the staking tab, under staking, you can basically see it as a savings account, but with crypto. So if you're investing in Ethereum, for example, and you're not really using your Ethereum, it's just sitting in your account and you're not really doing anything special with it, instead of just having your assets sit there, you can actually put it into, let's say, the savings account with staking, which will give you interest on your crypto. So Ethereum here, for example, will give you 3.52%, and then you have some other currencies here as well, which will give you a lot higher interest on your money, let's say. Usually, the higher the interest, the riskier the investment is, and some people will not agree with me about this, but that is generally why you'll have higher percentages for some of these other ones. Ethereum is going to be one of the more stable cryptocurrencies on the market, so obviously it's going to be the better option, not financial advice, but that will give you an idea of what you can get right here. And obviously it's a great way if you're just looking to earn cryptocurrency passively, while not really making any further investments into crypto. Moving on, we also have the NFT Marketplace. I've never bought an NFT. I'm not interested in NFTs, but if you are into NFTs, you have the marketplace right here. So you can have a look through the Bored Ape Yacht Club, for example. And if you want to buy one, you can do it right in here. Going back to the homepage again, we have some further stuff down here as well. Usually it's just promotional stuff. So you have the Earth Launchpad, for example, so you can kind of level up your account and you will get some rewards for doing that. You also have some campaigns. A new trader campaign here, I can get 110% rebate on your first crypto purchase, which doesn't make sense because I've already done my first crypto purchase, but I'm pretty sure this is just resetting. So you can kind of go through here, see if there's any campaigns that you can do if you're actually planning to make a purchase or looking to invest in something new, because usually you can find some kind of campaign or good deal, which will help you with your investing there. Going down, you also have the top gainers, top losers again, which will kind of give you a quick overview of what's going on in the market. Then finally, we have missions, university, and supercharger. For the missions, this is a great way to earn. I think it's called diamonds in the app itself. Basically, you can complete simple missions and get some diamonds for doing it. And then the diamonds, you can unlock it's like a loot box. It really is like a loot box. And if you open up the loot box, you can get, I think the max you can get is like $200 worth of CRO tokens for basically completing these missions and opening the boxes itself. So this is usually something beneficial you can do if you're on the app itself, and it's also good to check your missions before you make some trades. So if you go on the missions here, for example, you'll see the missions that I currently have available today. So status check is if you open up this missions tab. If I wanted to unlock that one, I can just click it and then okay, and then we click on unlock now. And there you go. We just earned 1 diamond for doing that. So now we currently have 2. It hasn't updated in the corner, but we have 2. And then you have the other ones as well. So you can unlock the quick quest. So take me there. And then you basically what you have to do is buy or sell about $100 worth of cryptocurrency in one transaction. And that will give you, let's see here, 10 diamonds in total. And if you do 500, you get 50 diamonds. Now, what you can do with these is that if you go into the store itself, let's go into the store. You have the mystery box right here, which is going to cost you 25 diamonds. And you can get 0 rewards by opening them up. I don't have enough, so I can't show you right now. Then they also have of course, the UFC Fight Pass as well, which is going to be 2,000, which is really a lot. But if that's something you're looking for, you can do it right here as well. Going back to the home page again, we have the university. This is just going to give you basic knowledge about crypto and crypto in general, crypto trading and what things are and how they act and what is the difference between a token and crypto and so forth. So if you want to learn more, you can basically go to university, and then you'll also get diamonds by completing those tasks as well. So if you want to do something while you're on the toilet or waiting on the bus, for example, it's going to be a great opportunity to do that. The supercharger is also going to be like the savings account, where you also get interest on your crypto assets. So that's something you can look into as well. And then down here, we're going to have some more campaigns and some general crypto news. Yeah, but that is going to be the main things for the homepage itself. Now we can also go over to accounts right here. The accounts will basically just show you your current assets. So these are the current crypto assets that I have on my crypto.com account. You can also change it to the allocation slide right here. It will give you a kind of better overview of what's going on. You can also see which type of products you have them in. And now I currently have 100% in my crypto wallet, but you can also have it in your credit, your staking, your earn, your exchange, or the supercharger as well. Going back again, we have the track option. So clicking over on the track, you can see all the crypto assets currently available on crypto.com. In here, you can search for new ones. You can kind of find new opportunities to invest in. They also have them categorized here at the top. So depending on what it is. So the Solana ecosystem, artificial intelligence, memes, and the Kronos ecosystem. So you can kind of go through these. And if you are looking for something new to invest in, I mean, this is going to be a good starting point. And if you want to as well, if we want to go into Dogecoin here, for example, if I wanted to track this asset and add it as my favorite, I can click right here on the star, it'll be my favorite. And I can also add my custom alerts here. So if I have a price target or if I have a percentage movement target, I can add those here as well. Now going back again, you can also have an overview of the volume of each asset. You can also see the circulating supply, total supply, total ROI, which doesn't make sense because it just show you the lifetime increase of the asset itself. Yeah, it's not really that super useful, but at least it will give you some idea what's going on with each individual currency here as well. Going back again, we also have this little starship or radar at the bottom. And this is basically just crypto.com signals that will show up every now and again. So you can have a look here on what's going on. So the latest one, traders have their eyes on Versity, VRA. In the last hour, VRA's total trading volume grew by 48%. So this, again, it will just kind of give you an idea of what's going on in the market. And that's a good way to start if you're trying to get into trading or looking for new assets or cryptos to actually invest into. Going back again, we have the final tab, which is going to be the card tab. Under the card tab, you can basically see how much you have on your account currently. Basically, how the crypto.com card works is that you have to top up your account with fiat, or you exchange it from your crypto to fiat in order to spend it with the card itself. Now, if you want to top up, you can do it with a card as usual, or you can do it by exchanging it with your crypto assets as well. These are going to be the ones which you can exchange for. So if I had Bitcoin in my wallet, for example, I could just exchange it and then I can top up my crypto.com card. Or you can top it up with a normal bank or debit card or a credit card as well. So you can just top it up here and that will add the funds directly to your crypto.com account. And then you can spend it directly with the card itself. Now you can also exchange it here as well. So in this case, you can exchange, let's say I had 100 euros in my account, I can exchange it back into crypto as well. And then you also have the send option here, which I'm not going to click, but if you click it, you can basically send crypto to your friends who are also on crypto.com. So that's going to be a great way if you're looking to send to someone else, or if someone bought you something and you just want to give them the money back, you have that option here as well. Now at the very top, we also have the card details. So if you click on the card details, we can see the card that I currently have right here. We can add it to our Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then you can view your PIN in case you forget it. You can also freeze the card. You can view the card numbers. And then you can see the base currency that you have. So this is going to depend on what country you have registered your account. You can also enable or disable international usage with the card itself. You can also add auto top up. So if your account ever runs below, let's say 50 euros, you can just automatically have it set up so it will automatically increase or top up your account, so you never run low basically. And then you have the full card details here at the bottom as well. Now, one thing that's interesting here is that if you're looking to upgrade your Crypto.com card, you can click on the upgrade card right here. Then you can see the different rewards that you will get by upgrading to one of the other cards. So if I were to click this one right here and then continue to stake, you can either pay directly with your crypto wallet. So in this case, I don't have enough. I only have 2,333 zero tokens, while it's going to cost me 2,548. So what I can do is that I can either add a debit or credit card to pay for it, or I can use an external zero wallet, or I can use the wallet in my account if I were to have enough Kronos to actually pay for the stake upgrade itself. So then what you do is basically you just click this and then you upgrade the card, and that way you will unlock the next tier of the card itself. And this is what Crypto.com is famous for. So most of you are most likely going to use this feature quite a lot by upgrading to the different tiers. And one thing to keep in mind, depending on when you're watching this video, but right now there's also a deal going on where you can get free Apple products basically by upgrading for the first time. So if you're upgrading right now, it's a better deal than normal, but you can see the full details on the Crypto.com website for this as well. That is basically gonna it for the Crypto.com app. It's fairly straightforward. You have some additional things here. If you go back to the homepage and open up the tab, you have some additional things here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You can set up a recurring investment. So if you want to buy, let's say Bitcoin every month, you can set that up. So we'll do it for you and you don't have to do it manually. You can also set up a target price. So if Bitcoin goes under or above this, then make a purchase or sell. You guys have the card again to pay. You have the supercharger, the earn, and staking. And then you have some missions, rewards, which we kind of walked through. That is basically going to be it for the Crypto.com app. One final thing I wanted to mention is that at the corner, you also have the What's New tab, which is basically, again, going to give you news on what's going on in the crypto market, which is a great way to either see what's going on with Crypto.com or just the crypto market in general. And that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like down below. If you also want to sign up for Crypto.com, you can do so by using my referral link, which is going to be down in the video description. This will also give you $25 worth of crypto totally for free once you do sign up. But that is going to be everything from me. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video here on the channel.